Want to grow your Instagram followers organically in 2026? Building a real audience takes consistency, quality content, and genuine engagement. While there are no instant shortcuts, the right strategy can help you attract followers who are actually interested in your content. In this guide, I'll show you how to grow Instagram followers organically. Start by defining your niche. Whether it's fitness, travel, business, education, technology, gaming, fashion, or lifestyle, having a clear focus helps Instagram understand your content and helps users decide to follow you. Your profile should immediately tell visitors who you are and what value you provide. Use a professional profile picture, write a clear bio, and include relevant links when appropriate. Consistently publish content that educates, entertains, inspires, or solves problems. High-quality content is the most important factor in long-term Instagram growth. Instagram Reels remain one of the best ways to reach people who don't already follow you. Create short videos with strong hooks that capture attention within the first few seconds. Create a realistic posting schedule and stick to it. Consistency helps build audience expectations and provides more opportunities for your content to be discovered. Good captions encourage interaction. Ask questions, share personal experiences, provide useful tips, or invite followers to join the conversation. Use hashtags that match your content and audience. Avoid irrelevant hashtags and focus on helping the right people discover your posts. Quality and relevance matter more than quantity. Instagram rewards genuine engagement. Reply to comments, answer messages, participate in conversations, and interact with other creators in your niche. Stories help you stay visible to existing followers and build stronger relationships with your audience. Use polls, questions, quizzes, and behind-the-scenes content to increase engagement. Collaborating with creators, brands, or businesses in your niche can introduce your content to new audiences and accelerate organic growth. Review Instagram Insights regularly to identify which posts, reels, and stories perform best. Use this information to create more of the content your audience enjoys. Stay away from buying followers, engagement pods, bots, and other artificial growth methods. These tactics rarely create a valuable audience and can harm your account's performance over time, and that's how to grow Instagram followers organically. Focus on creating valuable content, engaging with your audience, posting consistently, and improving your strategy over time. So yeah, organic growth isn't always fast, but it creates a stronger and more engaged community that lasts. Thanks for watching.